So still was the darkened morn, before any hint of dawn. Every tree, every bird, not a breeze, not a word ran through. And then up above us sight, there gleamed through the waning night a bough made of light, such a garland so bright it could turn any creature's eye. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa, 9 treasures in the morning sky. Every eye near awake would be turned to each gem that through darkness burned. All that crawled, all that flew, all that lived, all that grew looked on as they shone in the indigo silent sky. Each heart sang a lullaby, an end to a year, to a smile, to a tear, casting it all ever high to 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa, 9 treasures in the morning sky. Whaiame anata Matariki, watching warm and wise. Mother and her whānau, a wonder in the skies. Da-feared in Matea, to all gave us his eyes, and hung them over Tane high. 9 treasures in the morning sky. All here on earth needing love shone through in the jewels above. From the sky to the ground, to the seas that surround, to the rays that sustain. Every tree from the greatest to the least, every breeze, every dream, every feast, had a star looking on, ever frail, ever strong, the promises of years gone by. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa, 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui.